Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the flow speed on the NavShip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings option. Scroll down and in the road section you can find the first option, the flow speed. Consider the flow speed of the water and in the time planning beta, and just click to the next white circle. And now this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.